Hello! In this video, we will show you how to descale your NESCAFÉ Dolce Gusto Mini-Me. We recommend descaling Mini-Me every 3 months. You can buy the NESCAFÉ Dolce Gusto Descale Descaling Kit on our web shop. Pour the full bottle of descaling solution into 500 milliliters of drinking water. Make sure the water tank is empty. Pour the descaling solution into the water tank and reinsert it. Take the rinsing tool. It helps drive the water flow during the descaling process. If you don't have it, don't worry, you can still descale Mini-Me. Reinsert the capsule holder. Push down the locking handle. Remove the drip tray. Use a container to collect the water. Make sure that the machine is off and hold the power button down for at least 5 seconds until it blinks green. It will keep blinking throughout the process. Select the 7th bar with the selection slider. Move the lever to the hot position. For about 2 minutes, the water flow will start and stop. Then, the lever automatically returns to the stop position. Now, move it to the cold position. This time, you'll notice the flow is continuous. Once again, the lever automatically returns to the stop position. For maximum descaling effect, wait for 2 minutes. Empty the container and put it back. Rinse the water tank with drinking water. Then refill it with drinking water and reinsert it. Move the lever to the hot position. Mini-Me will start rinsing. Wait until the water stops. The lever automatically returns to the stop position. Now move it to the cold position. Once again, the lever automatically returns to the stop position. At the end of the rinsing process, the power button blinks green and red. Remove the container. Put the drip tray back. Switch off Mini-Me. Next time you turn it on, the power button will be green. Remove the rinsing tool and keep it for future use. Be careful of the water injector. Dry the inside of the head with a soft cloth. Rinse the capsule holder with drinking water. Dry and reinsert it. Push down the locking handle. Thank you for watching. Now you can enjoy making great coffees with your Mini-Me.